Hi guys, today I'll be telling you what are the causes of distraction and how I deal with it. So the cause for my distraction in my work life, I'll tell you, not in personal life. So pressure of sale. I am a person who can't work in very much pressure of sale. It's not about I get pressure from seniors. Sometimes I take it myself. Like I feel pressurized when I am not able to deliver numbers. So that distracts me in doing other works, and the to-do list which I make, that distracts me. The other point is unwanted emails. Like when I enter the store, I open my email, so I see lots of emails. So there are some unwanted emails in which I spend my time and reverting to it. So that distracts me. For that, I have now started prioritizing which email to revert first, which is most important. uh, and the work overload, like sometimes I get overloaded with the work. This is because we are procrastinating, we are not doing our work on time. So work overload is also a distraction because we leave everything when we are overloaded and find out what to do. We make a list of priorities. We'll only do the top 2 3 priorities and rest we leave for future. So overloading work is also a distraction. For that, I am making a to-do list and trying to complete my work on time on the same daily basis. Yes, and the fourth point which distracts me is social media platforms. Sometimes I open my phones and I waste my time watching Instagram post, Facebook post, TikTok. I have just downloaded during this quarantine period, but I got to know that that is also very much time consuming. So these all are the distraction. To avoid these distraction, I think we should keep our keep our phone on charging or turn off the notifications of all these social media platforms which consume times. And these are the things which we can do. Yes, and the fifth point is frequent visits of seniors in our store. So if like early in the morning, I make my to do list that these all things I have to do, and at 12 or 1 o'clock I find Mithun sir, Rajesh sir comes to my store, and they start engaging us in doing different activities, like make us trying to make us fashion models and all. So that distracts me in doing my work at that time. So I have to do it some other time. So yes, these are the things which distract me. And comfort zone is that at Promenade, this is a store which is always on high alert. So I never be on my comfort zone over there. I find my comfort zone at home on week offs. And yes, when I was in Mall of India, everything was in auto mode, and there I can say I was in bit comfort zone. But here in Promenade, I'm loaded with lots of work, so no comfort zone. Thank you.